How to fix try again later error on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix try again later error on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to the particular account. Now tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of the setting and activity page and choose help from more info and support section. Tap report a problem. Now choose report problem without seeking. Tap include and continue button and here you have to describe your issue. If you have any screenshots, you can tap screenshots and add that attachment. Now tap the same icon at top right corner and your problem will be submitted to Instagram. After a few hours, it will be fixed on your Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.